Hello and welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. In today's video, we are going to learn how to convert binary numbers into hexadecimal in a simple, step-by-step way. Even if you are a beginner, this method will make the conversion easy and quick to understand. Let's get started with binary to hexadecimal conversion. Now let's convert the binary number 111110 into hexadecimal. First we group the binary digits into sets of 4 starting from the right. So 11110100 becomes 0001 1111 0100 after adding zeros to the left. Now we convert each 4-bit group into its hexadecimal value. 0001 is 1. 1111 is 15, which is written as F in hexadecimal. 0100 is 4. Finally, we write the hexadecimal digits together. So, 111110 in binary is equal to 1F4 in hexadecimal. That's how you convert binary to hexadecimal easily.